raining all night, and I thought I'd just quickly show you around my vegetable patch, see what's growing, and show you my chickens. Okay, thank you. Right, so the vegetable patch is coming on a little bit better. The cabbages are growing, and my carrots, yeah, they're growing a little bit. The bok choy's gone. The beetroot's starting to come on. I'll have to start thinking about thinning them out. I've got Roma waiting for me to disappear. Get back in the vegetable patch again. Got some cauliflowers. Don't know really what's happening with them, but I think next week we'll be eating a few cauliflower heads. Silver beet. My cabbages that I thinned out, that looked a little bit sad last time. Sugar peas, or Monge 2s. My tomatoes. More cabbages. There's one ready. Little mini heirloom variety. I can work with them better. Now these are my cauliflowers. I don't know what's going to happen now. Are they just going to stay like that? Hopefully get a bit bigger, or just go to seed? Just don't know. Never grown them before, so we'll see what happens. More cabbages. Again, they aren't doing very well. They're just staying like they are, not growing. I'm having a few carrots. And the onions, they're just, yeah, I'm not impressed with them, but yeah, but they'll hopefully pick up in a couple of weeks' time. The cabbages, again, there's one ready. Cauliflowers, I've tried tying them up to see if I can stop them from going to seed, but you can see they're going to seed, but I'm just going to leave them, see what happens. Again, garlic's just sitting there doing nothing. The elephant garlic, yeah, that hasn't changed. So again, I'm just seeing what happens. It's all a big learning curve. If you like these videos, please subscribe, and that allows me to see who likes the videos. So I've already cleaned them out. So I'll just give them a few greens. Norman definitely needs a wash. They're all looking a bit bedraggled. At least they've got somewhere to go out the rain. I've set up a tarp over their coop. I've lifted the coop floor a little bit so they aren't walking in the water. There's Rocky. So I still haven't got Roma in. I'm going to go and try and get Roma in. Yep, chickens are all doing well this week. We've got 10 eggs one day. Well, it's the most we've had in 3 or 4 months. Come on, Roma. Go on. Here we go. Ooh, bok choy. Thanks for watching. Click the like button, and I'll see you next time. 15 degrees. Thank you.